What's up, everybody? I'm the homeschool dad. I'm coming to you from the kitchen. This is the nutrition part of the homeschool dad. This is what I do for Zakai almost every single day, is that I make him a smoothie. Now, understand, you already know what's going on in the world right now. You already know what's going on in the United States. A lot of the foods right now have half the nutrition that I grew up with. I grew up with full nutrition, right? They have half the nutrition. So the good thing you want to do is you want to get some smoothie and it consists of some leafy green vegetables. Leafy green, all right? So let's get started. This is a smoothie that I make Zakai. I make a mini smoothies, right? But this is a combination right here that I make them if I want to get these collard greens in, right? I'm gonna let you see, I'm gonna come on over there. Check out that. Look at these collard greens. Look at the veins on that, right? I washed them already. Good collard greens, right? Now I take the whole thing and I put this whole thing in there, right? Now, the thing is, kids don't like this, right? So what I do is I make a smoothie. So I have my blueberries, right? I got these at Costco's. Organic guava nectar. I got those at Costco's. Organic bananas. I got these at Costco's. You know, it was green when I got them though. They getting out of yellow, so I mean almost, I'm just gonna probably put one in there today, right? All right, so this combination right here is gonna make it taste like juice. You're not even gonna taste this. Trust me, you won't taste this. It's not gonna be there, all right? So let's do number one. What I do is I take these greens and I go like this. I twist them like this here, right? We're gonna put it on the green mat right here. Right, I'm gonna turn it this way, all right? So I hope everybody can see this. So the greens, I twist them like this and I take my knife, right? And I like that little knife better. So I take it and I just cut it. And I just cut. Now the thing about these collard greens, man, people, they do not like eating collard greens because these collard greens are so rough, right? They so rough, but I'm gonna tell you something, in your body, man, this works miracles right here. These collard greens got so much iron in it and other nutritional values in collard greens that you want to make sure that you want to put collard greens in the kids' smoothie. I know people are like, ugh, that's nasty, but no, they're not gonna taste it, right? And if they think collard greens is nasty, don't tell them it's in there. Because trust me, they're not gonna taste it. I'm telling you, they are not going to taste it. So I get these collard greens. I know it's gonna be on the comments. I know, where'd you get your collard greens from? If you guys have a Winco's in your area, go to Winco's and go to the organic section, and I'm pretty sure they have organic collard greens there, okay? Organic collard greens. I'm gonna tell you how organic they were. These were so organic. One time I got a pack of organic collard greens and there was still a spider inside of my collard greens. I mean, that freshly picked. That will let you know if you have insects, an insect was in here, that means that there was no pesticides. That was the thing that got me, that's what got me hooked. It was one of those spiders that almost like a black widow, but it was like orange, and it was just hanging out. It was inside one of the collard greens, and it was in between. And I'm like, oh, okay. I said, these really are the real thing. I'm like, cool. Then that got me hooked, and I said, you know what? I'm gonna stick with these collard greens right here, and we go do it. You know what I'm saying? This is like my favorite part of the day because I get to have some too. You know, this is some serious nutritional value. Look at all these collard greens, right? All that's going in there. But trust me, you're not gonna taste it. My son don't even taste it. But I got my son to understand that this is necessary. If you eat bad stuff, then you gotta clean your system out. And these collard greens help with everything. I love these collard greens, man. These collard greens ain't no joke. All right, so I guess I'll call this a collard green smoothie, but don't tell your kids that. If this turned green, it's Hulk juice, okay? We call it Hulk juice, all right? So let's get started with this here. We're gonna put the guava in there. About right there, okay? I'm gonna put it about right there. Put this over here. Now, I have the top, but I don't use it because I'm still constantly putting these in here. All right, I'm gonna flip this way. This is what I use too. There we go, all right. So now I get it started. This is an Oster blender. It pumps over 700 watts of power, so it pulverizes everything into liquid, right? So this is the smoothie extract. Okay, I'm gonna put it on that setting. Let everything liquefy, right? That's the last thing you want. And a little thing of collard greens, you don't get smooth. They're gonna be like, all right, we good. So I'm gonna taste it. All right, let's see what we got here. A little bit, right? Okay guys, that should be it right there. And that's all you need for the smoothie. I take one smoothie and I get my smoothie. Right, and then I get Zakai's. So I get Zakai's smoothie. We get the same cup. I know in the comments it's gonna be like, where'd you get this mug from? I'm gonna tell you right now, if there's a Dollar Tree around your area, you need to run there to get them because they're shrinking the size on them now. You know how everything is shrinking? They're shrinking the size on them. So if you can get your hands on one of these big ones, get them. Don't get just one. I say get about 5 or 6 of them so that you will have some. I got about 7 of these things in the house. Got some in my son. He got 4 of them up in his room. My bigger son. All right, and that's how much I give Zakai. About right there. And then me, I'll take the rest. Now understand, if your kid is younger though, man, you can't give him all that. My son he's 13 now. I think he's about right here or something. And you can't give him all that. You have to give the little kids a little bit. You know, I mean, maybe right here. You know, but Zakai, he can take this. And I give it to him with his breakfast or his lunch. I don't give it to him for dinner. I give that to him. But that's how you make it. You want to get your organic. Make sure that everything is organic, please. Don't get the GMO stuff. Make sure it's all pure organic. So you got your organic blueberries, your organic guava nectar, okay? Your organic bananas, okay? And you just do exactly as I just did, and the kids are gonna love it. Now, if you want to, you can add other stuff in it, right? This is just one that I make him. I'm gonna be making more smoothies for you because this is what I do for Zakai almost every single day. So almost every single day, I'm gonna be here doing a smoothie with you so that you can see how I do the smoothies, all right? With that, I'm getting out of here. I'm gonna get it to Zakai and I will see you on the next video.